In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so I've outlined a few different ways. So to withdraw funds from your PrizePick account to your Cash App, you can follow these steps. So number one, you got to make sure to ensure your eligibility. So playthrough requirement. Before initiating a withdrawal, ensure you've met the 1x playthrough requirement. This means you must have played through all deposited funds at least once. Deposit method. So withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. 2, obtain your Cash App account and routing number. So you want to access account details, open the Cash App on your mobile device, tap the Money tab on your home screen, and then here you want to, below your balance, tap the accounts and routing option to view your numbers. You want to copy the information, so use the provide option to copy both your account and routing numbers. 3, initiate withdrawal from PrizePicks. So you want to log in, access your PrizePicks account, request withdrawal, navigate to the withdrawal section, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, minimum of $10. Provide your Cash App account and routing number when prompted for bank details. Then you want to confirm your request. So review your details and submit the withdrawal request. Processing time. So initial withdrawals. The first few withdrawals may undergo a security review taking approximately 6 to 12 hours, and any subsequent withdrawals. So once established, withdrawals are typically processed instantly. And I've just jotted down some important notes here. So accurate information. So ensure all bank details are correct to prevent delays or failures in processing or sending to the wrong account. Withdrawal limit. A minimum withdrawal amount of $10 is required. And frequency. Only one successful withdrawal is permitted within a 24-hour time frame.